Yo, what up, Nasty? Dude, my monitor's bugging out again, so hey, we're gonna have the pop-up chat up here tonight for now. Too bad I can't, so, it looks like we're moving up on gold now. We, did break out of this range, so what I want to see here is for us to create a support on this 1 hour, and then with the NYSE open, we can make the bottom wick on this next 1 hour, and then continue moving up. It might happen on this 30, but I feel like we need to solidify a nice, beautiful 1 hour support before anything happens here. And then it would make sense for us to continue moving. But I'm gonna definitely need like a 1 hour support, considering that that's our first confirmation of us breaking out of a 4 hour range. Coding crazy. Let's see what GJ is doing now, bro. Oh, let's see where GJ's at. Alright, so kinda looks like we broke out, made a retest, and now we're ranging. So let's see what GJ, preferably we need to break below here to take any sort of sells. But we should have clean traffic moving down towards 153,500. Let's see who else is in here. Yo, what up? My other monitor is not turned on, so I gotta pop out the chat. Yo, what up, Milan? Good seeing you here, bro. Hey, you did say you would be here. Good seeing you. Stuck to your word. Henry, what's up, bro? How are you doing this morning? Sarta, morning. You got 10 pips on GJ with that retest. Nice, bro. So what? Did you get it on this 15-minute, or did you take it like on a lower time frame after we came up and retested? Nice, 10 pips. Beautiful. I want to see gold move up today. I want to catch my trade on gold. Looking beautiful so far. As long as this 1 hour can print, drink that muddy. I'm not gonna lie, like, I was gonna say, like, I kind of like the buy here. Honestly, like, right where it was. Just because, okay, we're waiting on a 1 hour support, but I don't want like a dumbass 30-minute candle, right? So, like, I would want this one to move up like it's doing now. So what happens if we take these buys here with stops? Looks like a 25 pip stop. I'd rather wait for the next candle though, just cause it might pull back, Dude, it sucks on my other monitor, bro. Alright, I might have to like pull the chat up on my Dude, this is so cringe. Why can't I I'm alright, Henry, bro. Dude, if my other monitor would maybe if like I was like retarded and could figure out how to make a thing to have the chat pop up on the screen. I don't know how the hell to do it. I'm like uneducated with how the hell to work the stream still. Yeah. Nice, this is moving up though. Nope. Maybe we could get a close above here on this 32 to keep moving up here today. But looking left, we do have a support right here as well. Or I mean previous resistance, and then our next one would be up here at 1928. We'll wait for the 1 hour. We usually always do. So let's not do anything different today, huh? Whatever, bro. Just closed 12 pips. What did you close it on? Yo, what up, Sid? By the way, I'm not sure if I said that. Nice, you got on that 15 too. Dude, my other monitor won't. Like, dude, I need to just buy a new one. I'll probably do that maybe later this week. 12 pips on what though? What'd you on? You catching on gold here? Did you catch it on this 15-minute flipping or this 30-minute flipping? Nice. If you did, nice. Maybe we could get like a and we'll wait and see. As far as the news today, I'm pretty sure we don't have anything. Yeah, we don't have anything for news today. Nothing that's gonna impact us. Did a very minor bottom wick on this 4 hour though too. Something to watch for. In at 1922, closed at 1922.3. Nice, bro. Beautiful. Bro, how's everyone here doing today? Yo, very interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I was not looking to see gold break out above here today. We will have to play careful because this is a 4 hour range here, right? As you guys can see. Ignore these other lines that we have in here. I'll just delete them real quick. But notice, like, we have not closed yet on this 4 hour, so we could possibly come back into the range. But we'll have to wait and see, right? It depends on how this 1 hour closes for me, honestly. But what could maybe happen is something like let's see, the 1 hour, something like this, where it'll bearish and then the next candle will bleed down. I don't wanna let you down. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. My monitor still won't turn on, bro. Damn, I keep clicking the wrong fucking thing. Good thing, like, there's nothing on here that, like, I can't show you guys. I was honestly looking to see decent sales off of this. Nice, bro. It fixed itself. All right, finally, bro. Cool. Now I can move all this over. Make use of my second monitor, bro. But I seen this 15-minute print like this, and then I saw the 30 close bearish too. I was like, crazy. Maybe we'll get a cause we do have big news for the rest of the week after today. So tomorrow we have ADP NFP, which is big, and then at 10 a.m. we also have Jerome Powell testifying. So 2 big news events just tomorrow. Thursday he testifies again, and then Friday we have the actual NFP. So looks like GJ is starting to move down here too as well. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like this could be a decent trade here. Whoa, whoa. But let's see though, cause like we do have. What did you? I think sells be better below 1916 as it a flip of the 4-hour candle, and then 1-hour candle will close again in the range. $19.16. Yeah, if we do end up coming back in here and never creating this support here, I agree. The buys I feel like are super risky today. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll trade what we see, because like if we are creating 1-hour support above the range after we moved up and already closed above on a 1-hour candle, then there's a chance that we keep moving up. But I would much rather like the sells. I ain't gonna lie. Like the daily candle probably might, and we never broke the high of the previous daily candle. And maybe we like we are probably going to range today. But we'll have to see. I'm gonna need candles to close them, I think. I'm not gonna be impulsively acting on anything. I feel like the sells definitely here. Like this 1-hour setup looks golden. The only thing that gets me is we only have 10 minutes left till NY open. Let me get rid of this so no one thinks I'm in a position here, because I'm not in a position. Dude, I read the sells on TJ this morning like a book though, boys. Simple bearish structure being formed. I was doing this all on my phone. Bearish structure being formed here. You can see we're forming lower highs. on the 4 hour down. What did I say? Need this 30 minutes to close before or below 154.025. Then y'all always doubting me, but it plays out. It's good though. I mean, he's seen that there was no wick, but that only means it's a 50-50 chance. And I mean, we did come and close below here. There's no traffic at all. This was the last support. We closed far below. And then I said you could take the next 15. What did I say? No wick, 50-50 chance for continuation. This is like the two things you could do. So like if you've seen this make a good top wick and then start to push down, kind of like, I mean, this one did do that. I didn't actually get to watch how the candle played out. Okay, yeah, but it did make a good top wick. And then when it flipped, you could have entered the sell here. I mean, this one pulled back a little bit, but it never broke this high. And then, yeah. But you could have waited for the 15 to close the next one as well, as long as it, but then, you might miss the move that sometimes with that. Alright, it looks like gold does want to come back down into the range, boys. It's really fighting. It's having a hard time staying above. So, oh my goodness, look at her go. Just kind of did like 80 pips, you know, no biggie. Now I need to see, let's see where, so I want to see this candle close below here, and then if we can make a nice top wick, we could take it 75 pips on a 1 minute candle. You're not lying, bro. Yeah, true. Dude, gold has been like really throwing some wild ass moves lately, bro. It's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Like I've been having to like move my lot size down just because like the candles have been so big that like for me to like, unless I wanted to up my percent of risk, then I gotta turn down the lot size, bro. But it's like I'm used to seeing like 30, 40 pip, 30-minute candles, bro. This one just did like 100, top to bottom. 120 pips this 30 minutes, top to bottom, bro. Crazy. Let's see what happens here though, because I would say if we close above this point here, then there might be a chance that we could move up still. I don't know, because now we got a good bottom wick on this 4 hour, right? Like this would be a 4 hour wick I want to see. What was our 4 hour wick before? It was this. This is what it was this candle. So if we close above here on this 30 minutes, there's a chance that we just rejected this area and we made a bottom wick on our 4-hour here. So if we drive down in the next 2 minutes or whatever when NY open happens, there's a chance that like if we drive down first and then start to flip and move up, then maybe we could keep moving up still, but we'll have to see. We still have a minute left. If we do end up closing below here though, I ain't gonna lie, I think we're just gonna melt. I don't see a reason for us to honestly come in and start breaking out of this range before all the news happens, right? Just note, because you gotta think about it, like logically. Whenever there's news, it's because there's different things happening in the economy that are going to change the value and the prices of things. So why would anyone with a brain start moving the price of something before they know what the hell's gonna happen to said thing, right? Like, just think of it like that. Why would they start moving the price a day before the news? Like, sometimes stuff gets priced in, and like you could tell, like you can tell when it happens though. Like if we have NFP and we start doing crazy moves like a day or two before, then alrighty, well. See what happens if we could get like a nice top wick here. I'd much rather take the sells back down, boys. Like I mean, I might be missing this move. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think she's about to melt, boys. Alright, now if this candle flips, you could look to take this trade like this, with stops above this high, right here, this candle's high, to look to go and fill this wick. But only if this candle comes and flips now. And like preferably, I would say this is invalid if it doesn't do this on this 15. So I might put a sell stop in right here. What is this at? 1916.32. I don't know though. It made a decent little bit of a bottom wick. Let's see what happens though. But I like the size of the wick now, if this were to be the 1 hour top wick. Let's see if it will happen though. I do have a sell stop in here at 1916 on the nose. But if it does end up printing bullish here on the 15, then I don't like it at all. Because remember, like we did close right here at the support, right? see. Jeez, look at that thing, bro. Came down, tapped it, and just rejected it. Alright, I might be looking to take this south swap out at this point. I do still feel like we're gonna move down, but maybe it's not gonna happen just yet. Alright, so I'm taking this out. I think that if this 30-minute ends up flipping and breaking its own low, then maybe we could do that on this next candle. So like say that this next 15-minute candle ends up being bearish and comes down, so it's breaking its own low. Yo, what up, Pre-Law? Dude, you just missed it. I had a goddamn banger playing, bro. I'll put it back on. Dude, Nasty first heard this song for the first time the other day. Three exotic brides and they all soaking panties. Alright, new 15. See what happens though. I mean, I feel like if we do make a good bottom, we can start breaking this high here of this wick. Definitely feel like the buys could play out. I ain't gonna lie, boys. But like, I don't know. Maybe we will take the buys. Alright, I'm in these here. Let's see if I get faked out, boys. I'm about to keep a nice tight ass stop on this though. Like if this does, it's so hard to justify. But I think that we have some volume here though, so we should keep moving up, right? Or I'm gonna take a stupid ass loss here on this impulsive ass buy. But I'm gonna follow what the chart's showing me here today. Alright, beautiful. Start chugging. Alright, where's my break even gonna be? Where's 10 at? Alright. Once we hit there, I'm risk free on this trade, okay? That's 10 pips once we start breaking this point. Oh my god, bro, it's so close. Keep on going. Alright, since it's kind of fucking around, I'm break even at this point right now, boys. I'm not gonna play with it. Alright, yeah, definitely break even. It just came up and hit 10. I'm gonna look to secure half of this here. Alright, cool. I'm gonna take half of this out. Look at that, bro. Nice trade, thank you. It was a quick one. I mean, and then it's like I don't know, boys. Like we have a 30-minute resistance here. That's my bad. I didn't address that. Like while taking this and why I went risk free. I mean, we're still in with what we got, but I think I'm gonna let my runner go to like 1925. If it doesn't get stopped out right here. Alright, it got stopped out. Alright, cool. So I guess we got a little like 10 pip win, I guess, on the buys. Cool, cool, cool. Gold crazy today, yeah, bro. I don't know. I feel like I'm and like if you know me, boys, so like I have a bearish bias, so I don't like to take, like when I come to the charts and I'm thinking sells, 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 and it starts showing me buys, and like obviously I'm gonna trade what I see, not what I think. But when I have to go against my daily bias, I almost didn't take this. But like I do feel like we are overall bearish for the day. But like, as I was saying, like, you guys know me, bro. Like, if I come into the charts, you're on JJ. Oh, nice. GJ sells. Nice. Hopefully, we can get a nice closer below here. And then, I like the GJ sells more than I like, because overall, I am bearish on GJ. So, like, it would make sense. Right? Like, we had 4-hour close below this range here. We have clean traffic on the left-hand side, moving down towards 153,500. This is definitely a retest on this candle here. This is the only bullish candle here, and then this one printed bearish on the last hour. And then our MY candle is moving down. This was a little breakout. I personally wouldn't have taken this trade just because, like, 15-minute breakout on GJ, you got a fucking sack to do that, buddy. All I gotta say. But hey, Henry learning, bro. Henry learning to let that shit hang, bro. 15-minute breakout play on GJ, I lose every time. There's no chance in the fucking world I ever win on a 15-minute breakout on fucking GJ, bro. Good shit, though. See, I definitely feel like we're gonna move down on gold for now, for sure now. Yeah, where that boy Nasty at, though? Nasty, what are you doing right now, bro? Nice, bro. You still in this, Henry? I hope you're eating, bro. Still in, nice. Expect a pullback on the next 30-minute, just sort to make its top wick. But this should keep moving down, no problem. Unless, of course, we come back and close above the support. But I don't see that happening anytime soon. We broke the lowest point here. We're already bearish. We slammed down below. Yeah, but we don't have any clean. We have clean traffic the whole ways down to here. I would definitely look to like not ride this whole thing out though, just cause like, you know, obviously let's see if we can like scale and look and see where the hell. Yeah, just I mean just like right here is a good area, right? Right at 153,500 on the nose, bro. Oh, Joe. Bro, gold looking like it wants to just absolutely fucking melt. I'll be surprised if gold moves up today. Oh, alright, maybe GJ is faking out. Let's see. Got like 30 something seconds left. Do you guys like my little trend lines I draw? I feel like they help. I feel like it helps you see just like market structure. That's why I draw them. I don't draw these on here to trade off of them, or like I don't even look at this shit like a support or a resistance. I just look at it as form of structure. So like if you remember what was it, the gold buy we had played last week. I believe it was this right here I had drawn up. But it was like, boom, perfect bearish market structure we're seeing. And then once we broke out of the bearish market structure, this was our trade, was on this candle here. This one came and closed outside of here. I mean, I guess I kind of do look at it. It just depends how clean it is. But I don't like sit there and be like, oh, wait till we bounce off. Like we're gonna move to the trend line. Like I don't think about that shit at all. All right, new 30-minute candle has been printed. What did GJ do, bro? Absolutely trash. All right, well if you're in now, I hope you aren't. Closing the 35th day of bullish. Did you get, did it run up to 10? Oh, -8, not bad, yeah. Where'd you take it from? Nothing wrong with a little loss. So I guess unless you got it like right from where we broke here, you probably didn't get a full 10, huh? Considering spread and everything as well. Especially like if you took it on this 1 hour. I feel like this candle is just gonna fucking melt on gold. I ain't gonna lie, boys. This 1 hour is now flipping. If we start breaking below this 30-minute here, I already have my trade, but if you guys are still looking to take a trade, if we start breaking below this 30-minute here, we should get a nice move down. Like look at the 4 hour, it's bearish now. 1 hour is starting to look, it definitely made its top wick at this point. And the 1 hour is like, I feel like, obviously use all your time frames, but if you could only use one time frame, I would use the 1 hour for gold 100%. 100%. If I was only ever allowed to look at a single time frame, I'd use the 1 hour. But you could take it like this, break at a low here, you could enter your sell, right? And with the stop above, it's a little bit of a fat stop, but it's the only valid one you have, right? To, in case it does break it, pull back some, that you're not going to get stopped out, right? But this should be a beautiful trade if we start going and breaking the low, which we should here. This 1 hour closed below the previous resistance. You know, we're rejecting on a 4 hour. If we start breaking this 30-minute low here, we should get a fucking, excuse my French, beautiful move down. Just to fill this wick is 34 pips, but we should continue. But just make sure you're, like this stop is a little fat, so make sure that you are using lower lot size if you are. Just be careful, boys. Because I won't lie, like, What was it? I took a trade last week, bro. I wasn't realizing how big the candles were, and like I had to close a trade. Obviously it wasn't on the stream. I believe it was on Friday, bro. I had to close the trade because simply like the drawdown was just too much, bro. Seriously, I was like, okay, this is fucking too much. Candle pulled up like to make like a 2-inch top wick, and I was like negative 20 pips in drawdown. I was like, okay. And it was like there's no place to say where this could keep going towards, you know. But I definitely think that we're gonna see a goddamn bleeder here, fam. And like, think about it. This 30 still got like 20 some. Well, obviously we haven't broken this yet, but this 30 minutes still got like 24 minutes to do its thing. It should come towards 1910 for sure. But we're just waiting at this point. I would recommend a sell stop or something. Bully on my cut. Spot with spud. This I should have waited. This should have been the trade I took. This is like honestly, dude. Like if I could, like, put my house on this trade, I would. Chasing the den. Did we break it? Alright, we are breaking the low now. So this should keep moving down, right? Remember what we had said. This 1 hour made its top wick. We already closed below. 4 hour is rejecting top of this range. We should see an absolute bleeder on this candle, boys. Absolute bleeder to fill this wick minimum. But this shit should play out like a goat. Like I said, hey, I'll put my house on this shit. We're gonna find out if we're losing that goddamn house today or not, boys. But hey, I'll be cool with that. Because you know what? Once you find enough of these setups, you'll buy a new house. Dude, I'm ready to see absolute meltage. Alright, let's look and see. I'll manage this as if I was in this. But I obviously already have my trade. So, right here would be where I'll go risk-free. Once we start breaking below there. Alright, so I'll be risk-free in this trade right now. And I'll be looking to lock in 50% minimum. Alright, and then I guess you'll be out. Dude, what the fuck? We're like, I definitely do think we'll keep moving down, but bro, these pullbacks are ridiculous. Look at that. Whoa, like what is that? Anyone see that? It's disgusting, bro. Well, I guess, damn. Imagine I took every single trade I called on the chart and just took them at 10, bro. I probably have a 100% win rate. No cap. Oh, yo, Blickies, how you did that? Go, just give us an absolute bleeder, cuh. Maybe. Where the fuck did that piece of shit go? I get my pseudo whack, you eating cheese and nasty rats. Damn, bro, all the homies dip that was in here, bro. I just seen how many the viewer count went to. Damn, bro. Dude, we've been getting, we've honestly been growing pretty nicely. I ain't gonna lie, over the last, like, compared to, like, when we first started. I mean, obviously, we're not fucking huge or nothing, bro. But I feel like we are. I mean, it's only just gonna keep, we only gonna keep going up from here, but. Dude, it's kind of nice, because, like, now, since I hit 1,000 followers, I swear, since I hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, that, like, people are actually just finding my stuff. Like, I'm not having to, like, force it down someone's fucking throat and being like, reshare this, share this. Or, like, just trying to, like, sit there and comment on people's posts so people see my account, click on it, and hopefully follow me. Or, I don't know. I don't really do the social media like too crazy, but I just know that, like, those are some of the ways to grow. And obviously, like, I did some you know, some general YouTube Google search to see what we could do, but so obviously this isn't looking like it's gonna move down at this point. I think this might be a chalked rest of this day, but yeah, tomorrow will probably be a really good stream. I might even end it at one point to just come back and trade that 10 a.m. news with Pal. Like, if we're not seeing anything with NY open, we'll save our risk for the day for that. What time is it though? Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream here, bro, cause you know, I've called 2 trades. I got in one of them, had a little win. ED, what it is. So yeah, we're probably gonna end the stream here. Bye, man. Hey, we'll be back tomorrow, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. We definitely gonna end the stream. And I'm gonna hop on out of here.